If you are wondering if we have AI features available on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then the answer is no, not really. The closest thing that we have to AI is the Google Assistant, so by default we don't even have Gemini installed on this tablet. We have a Google Assistant, at least right now when we have still Android 15, maybe this will change when we get Android 16 on this device, and then we might use Gemini by default, but of course if you want to you can still download the Gemini from the Play Store and you can easily use it without any issues. We do not have Bixby, there are no AI features with photo editing, and there's nothing really that could be considered as AI. Maybe another thing that actually just came into my mind, in the camera we have the QR code scanner and document scanner and also scene optimizer. These are marked or labeled actually as intelligent features. I'm not sure if they are truly AI features, I don't think so. Personally, I wouldn't consider them AI features. There is no circle to search as well, so unfortunately, right now, at least, there are no really outstanding AI features. There is pretty much nothing at all that could be considered as AI, maybe except for the aforementioned Google Assistant. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.